Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a origami balloon or water bomb. It's one of these square ones, and what's unique about this is that you actually have to inflate it by blowing into a hole. So let's begin. Square piece of paper, and we're going to start on the white side. We're going to fold both diagonals and one horizontal. So first diagonal, second diagonal, and one horizontal. So we have just folded both diagonals and one horizontal, all on the white side only. We're now going to flip the model over, and you should notice there's a remaining horizontal or vertical, depending on your orientation, that has not been folded. I want you to fold it now so colored side touches colored side, so like so. Okay, once you've done that, I want you to turn it white side up, and it should open up a little bit like a tent. At which point I want you to push it in the middle until it touches the table. It will kind of pop. When that happens, you should notice that there are these two midpoints there and here that are slightly a bit higher. They kind of popped up. What I want you to do is bring those two midpoints together, so it looks a bit like a bow tie, and then bring the other midpoints up to meet that finger. So one there and one there. And as you push this all together, it should collapse, and if you put it flat, it should collapse into what is known as the triangle base in origami. So next, we're going to fold this corner and this corner up to the midpoint, but only on one side, so only on one of these sides there. So one, and then two. So you leave these two flaps on their own, and don't fold those upwards, because we're going to do the same thing now on the other side though. So flip the model over, and repeat exactly the same thing on the other side. So then bring both these corners up to meet that midpoint, and you form a little cross, a little square. See these two little flappy bits sort of pointing away from you? We're now going to fold this corner and this corner in towards the middle, so like so. And then you repeat on the other side. So flip it over, and again the two little flappy bits are still pointing away from you, and one and two. You'll get this hexagon type shape. Okay. Next, what we need is we're going to fold this point and tuck it into this pocket here. If you look at there, there's like a little hole there that you created, and you're just going to fold this across so this outer edge lines up with this vertical, and then do the same for this one. And once we've done that, if you open up that little pocket here, you can actually slot that flap in. So just feed it in, push it in, and it will lock. And repeat on the other side. Feed it in, push it in, and it will lock. And again, you're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. Turn it over. Again, the two little flappy bits are pointing away from you. Fold them so that they are lined up vertically to that edge. So that diagonal is lined up to that vertical edge. And again, open up the pocket and push in the little flap. And then finally, what you will do is you will blow. If you just open up the 4 layers, there's a little hole in here. And if you blow into it, it will form the water balloon. And you can actually attach this to some fairy lights. Just drop a drop of hot glue there, and it will seal up the entrance, and you can make some very pretty Christmas lights. Thank you. Bye bye.